What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Y'all, what's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see what we got going on today, man. What the plan is. My boy Herb coming through. We finally finna put the new transmission in the Mighty Emma, man, the Showtime power. So we finna go ahead and get that done. Then we gonna test it out to compare and contrast, man. So soon as Herb make it over here, man, we're gonna let him do what he do. I'm gonna be running around, but when he get ready to wrap up, I'll probably cut y'all on and all that, man. So today, Mighty Emma finally gonna be completed. Like, no more stock transmission. Pretty positive she gonna move different farmer shifts and all that. So we're gonna test drive and make sure everything. But yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. All right, y'all see it. My boy Herb over here. Get to it, then knocked it out. I said I ain't show y'all in the morning call. We working out. But hey, I already did y'all the intro. So we finna top it out with fluid. Oh, it ain't been crunk up this morning, y'all. So we're gonna have to boy, she knows, boy. Emma know it sound good. Top this thing out with fluid, man, and we're gonna see later on we're gonna see what it hit like with the new transmission, with the Showtime, man. That's all she was lacking. I think it's about ready. Yes, ready. It's warm outside today, y'all, so it don't take that long for it to get it going. Let's see, my boy Herb and knocked it out. Got the new Showtime in there. Put all the fluid in. An old transmission for sale, but depending on how fast you move, it probably gone. Cause I already had 2 people ask about it. So y'all know parts over here don't last long. That sounds good. Some of that priority performance work. Shout out to Rick. Clean engine bay. Good now. We'll get that fluid topped off. Then later on, man, we're gonna shake this over down. We're gonna see what Mighty Emma can like now. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, back from running the errands and all that. Go ahead and do some running around. Y'all see my boy Herb gone. And y'all see what's in my hand? GoPro. Drag it. So y'all know what time it is. Let's see if we can get this thing to do what it do. And if it does, or if it doesn't, we still gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all what how the car has improved over the course. So the first number, that's why I want to wait to show y'all all the data. So I'm gonna show y'all, cause I ran this car when I hate I didn't run it when she was bone stock with the just AutoZone crate 350 versus you know, I hate I didn't run it. That's the only time I didn't run this car to test, and she didn't have a rear end either. So the first run was when she got the car back without the wrong converter, with no converter. I mean, stock transmission, stock converter. So I'm gonna show y'all that. Show y'all how I did then. The second run which y'all just recently seen, was with the stock transmission, but the aftermarket converter, the right converter. So now this is the final test. Right converter and a Showtime transmission. Then I'm gonna show y'all each draggy run and show you how the time change each time. So let's crank this thing up, man. I'm gonna tune in y'all from the GoPro, and we're gonna see what we get. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we're checking in, man. So it's about to be go time. Lay it out, man. Still cool, like temperature hand ain't even moved yet. It be taking these cars a long time to heat up. Even riding, man, I could be riding 20-30 minutes. Temperature hand barely move. They be needing a little heat in them. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see what we got. I got confidence in Monte. I think she's gonna do it today. I think she's gonna run the fast she ever ran. It's a little hot, but we're gonna see. As long as I don't miss no kill, I have to do it. Right, man, we're back much later. I've been doing some running around, as you can see. I don't know what, well, y'all done seen that vlog with Meat. I see Meat's back, but I had to go pick that up, which I already dropped that vlog for you. Messing with this, I've been doing all that today. But anyway, y'all see Mighty Emma transmission back in. Shout out to Herd. Shout out to Showtime, all of that. Now, I ain't ready to drop the results yet because it's inconclusive, really. To be real with you, Carl, I'm gonna tell you this much. It went slower. I'm like, wait a minute. Something ain't right. I made 3 passes. 3 total. It went slower, man. Even the first pass, and the first pass supposed to be the best. It was the slowest. So, but it shifts. The shifts on point, but it's something lacking in the first. It's something lacking in the takeoff, man. So I say it's inconclusive at this moment, cause I gotta make sure it ain't nothing in the transmission or the gearing. Could be different in the transmission. I gotta get with DJC. The gearing is in the stock transmission. Cause the stock transmission went faster so far, but it's the takeoff. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but it's the takeoff, man. So that's why I said it's kind of inconclusive right now. So I got to see, man. We got to go take it out again. And it was. I don't think it's the temperature, man. It's that takeoff, man. It's stuttering. Then it'll get in there and it hit. You can feel the power, like it got the stock converter in, but it don't got stock converter in. But I mean, that's how it acting kind of in the first gear. But then second and third, that joker just she screaming, she rolling, boom. But I got to see. Man. But then you get on it too much, it rattle the tire. We don't need that. So I'm gonna see, man. I'm gonna tinker with it. I'm gonna have to do some tinkering off camera, some testing off camera at this point. Cause now I got serious. Cause when stuff boggle my mind, I be on it. I got to figure this out. So just know when I come back on camera, she probably gonna be ready to roll and probably already done did what it's supposed to do. Cause it finna be some of that off camera testing now. Just to see, so I can really think, man, and get down to the nitty gritty, do what I got to do. So yeah, that's where I'm at. But I'm glad she back, man. Shout out to her. He came through, knocked it out, man. Showtime in there, ready to roll. The shift a whole lot better. Of course, it definitely shift a whole lot better. There's a boom, boom, hit just like that. Firm, nice, and all of that. So, you know, we'll keep tinkering with it, man, and play around with it, and you know, see what old Mighty Emma do. We're gonna get her dialed in. She gotta get dialed in, man. Even though it ain't the fastest of the fast. This wifey hot rod. That's what she said. She said this her hot rod, and the Mustang is her car she drive every day. She don't want to do nothing to it. And so I know people asking. People been on Instagram saying, I know y'all gonna soup it up. Cause we do everything else souped up, but this one of the cars kind of like I want my Grand National. I don't want to do nothing to the Grand National. I want it factory, unmolested. I don't even want to put cold out. I don't want to do none of that. Unmolested, all original, factory GN, factory horsepower, factory in. I don't want to touch it. And this her car. She won't like that. She won't complete the factory, so she has no plans on doing nothing to the drivetrain. Unless something breaks, then we have to. But for now, it run good. It's under 80,000 miles, so she don't have no plan for the Mustang except drive it, enjoy it, cosmetic stuff, you know, paint it over, interior, just cosmetics. But the Joker run good. I mean, if we got to fix something, or, you know, might do gaskets and stuff like that of that nature. But as far as souping it up, she said she don't want to do nothing to it. She just wanted to drive every day, regular. That's what it is. I understand that. She said Emma is going to be her little hot rod. So that's going to be her little thing she play around with. Got a little geek in it. And, yeah, so we're going to get this dialed in. I'm going to get it dialed in for it to do what it's supposed to do with the power plant she got. So, yeah, I'm going to dial it in, man. I'm having fun with it because it's $350. And it's like one of my basic specs for a basic. I would say this combination I would put together for somebody on a real budget, want to get in to get their feet wet. Not a whole lot of power. Don't get me wrong, 300 to the wheels is still some decent power. It's a lot of new cars, that's what they make, 300 to the wheels. It's just the way they got everything spec. It just feels so good. That's why them cars feel so quick and fast. They might only be making 300 to the wheel, but everything is to the T and working like it's supposed to, from gear in the transmission to gear ratio. Everything is in sync. When you got everything in sync, 300 to the wheels or 350 to the wheel feel real good, very good. So like I said, man, and I'm pretty sure I know my stuff. I'm on the money, judging by what it'll run and all that, the weight of the car. It probably 300 to the wheels, like just barely tiptoeing 300. But for what it is, it's good. It's one of my super basic specs, man. Super basic combo. But it worked for her. Like I said, it's nice. It got some good power, good top end power, good top end charge and all that. So yeah. But we're gonna keep tinkering with it, man. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get Mighty Emma dialed in like it's supposed to. We're gonna get Mighty Emma fine-tuned and dialed in and all that good stuff. I might even train the carburetor for it, man. Go to a chokeless choke horn. No choke horn. Chokeless carburetor, I meant. Without the choke towel, so I might go with that. Right now, they're basically like what she running is a manual choke, or me and Rick said we might go ahead and put the manual choke in there like it's supposed to back in the day, where you pull it. To pull the choke, it's supposed to go inside the car. So a lot of people probably ain't never owned a car with that. I have never owned a car with one that works. So yeah, we might do that just to give y'all something. But yeah, man, that's it. They're gonna wrap it up, man. Getting a little cool out here. So I'm finna head in the house. So yeah, that's it, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later, BCG. We out.